travel with me to the charts of Travala.com, because today we are making a price prediction for this coin. I'm gonna give you a projection of what could be happening with the price of AVA in the next few months. Buckle up, because we are flying higher. Welcome back, friends. Our today's price prediction, technical analysis, everything that we've said will be based on the Travala.com weekly chart. Every candle, 1 week. Since we are looking at this grand picture, let's just notice that from 2018 till 2020, so we are talking about a period of 2 years, Travala was range bounded and moving in some kind of a consolidating structure. Now in 2020 things begin to happen in an upside direction. Of course, with the rest of the market. From the March of 2020, you remember the big crash. This story started to go in a very familiar direction. Now, many of you might be asking right now, is this direction over? Are we in for some different side of the story? In my opinion, we are still bullish. In my opinion, the story remains the same. Today I will give you many reasons why that is so, and you make your own conclusions. Are they right or wrong? Now, since this impulse move, the biggest impulse to the upside in May of last year, we are moving higher and higher and higher with higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So we are text booking. Now, for this to be an uptrend in the future, we need to surpass this high of $6.50. Now, I noticed one very important pattern happening at Travala.com. Now let me show you, let me put it like this, so it became more clear to you. Can you spot it? In what structure AVA is traveling to the upside in the last few year or two? Need any help? Now in my mind, through the dinosaur's eyes, something like this is happening. We are moving inside this upward sloping parallel channel. I think this is pretty well a channel, because 1 year ago we touched the upper band, confirming it as a resistance, but the real confirmation came in April of this year, when we once again bounced hard from that ceiling. And at both times we did the same thing. I mean, Travala did the same thing. We fell right at this crucial line of support, retested it one more time, and then bursted to the upside. This is our bottom, and this is this second time. And if you dive really deep into this drawing, you can see that this is just a copy-paste of the past. This move here is just this move here. So by any means, you shouldn't be surprised if we decide to test, for example, this area one more time. It happened here, it could be happening right now. I will give you a firm levels where that could be before remaining to the upside. And yes, don't be mistaken, I am expecting a move like this to the upper band. I am expecting that after we do something like this, retest the support, travel with the rest of the crypto market one more time to the upper band of this channel. After that, we will speak in other language. For now, this is my projection. Now let's remove all of these drawings and dive a little deeper before giving you a price prediction. First of all, why we stopped right here? Why this was our bottom above $1.50? Reason number one, we just retested this previous resistance that we mentioned just a minute ago and make it a support. It can be any simpler than this. This line is standing at $1.82. I believe this is our floor that will never be broken again. Okay, let's never say never in investing and trading, but the hunch is never. Moving along. Case number two, why we bought it right here, is this 89 exponential moving average on the weekly chart. Check this out. At the end of 2020, it was the firm support for the new move to the upside. A few months ago, it did the same thing. It provided us a clear support, a board for our jump to higher levels. At the moment, 89 exponential moving average is standing at $1.87. So again, just like from the previous case, we are talking about the similar levels, around $1.80. This should be, once again, let me state, a hard floor for AVA. Now, is it all sunshine and rainbow from this point? Absolutely not. I already stated this. I'm not expecting AVA to resume this upside move with no pulling backs, because let me zoom in on this price action right now. Can you see that we are in an uptrend for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in a row? Yes, it could go higher from these levels, but you should expect a healthy retracement in the weeks to come. Nothing goes up indefinitely. We need a rest, we need a retracement. Do you remember that level that I gave you where that retracement could be? The channel gave it to you. And, quite frankly, 21 exponential moving average is doing that also. It gave us a hard support before a huge move to the upside. And I'm expecting it to do one more time after the retracement. The level, $2.87 at this moment. So, if we were to pull back right now from $3.50, $2.87 would be absolutely normal and needed, let's not say necessary thing for us. I hope that by now you catched my drift. And now, as I gave you elaborated thoughts on the screen, I think it's time that we could do price prediction for 2021 right now. Of those levels you never saw at Travala, but I will show them to you right now. After all, that's why I clicked on this video. We will use this high of $6.43. We will use this low of $1.57. And we will use our favorite tool for the projection of the future, and that is Fibonacci retracement tool. We will reverse it and make it a Fibonacci extension. And I'm talking about something like this. On the screen we are having everything we need. So let's begin. After we do some retest of the levels, for example of 23.6%, resume to the upside, crush these all-time highs, I will give you the level that we're traveling next, 161.8 extensions, $9.50. Our next stop would be 261.8% retracement, made extension, 14.41. So let's be greedy and say that 361.8 will be realized at $19.31. And please, don't be surprised if this year, 2021, you see the levels of beyond $22. If you want the exact number, $22.33. Sounds nice, right? It's doable, my friend. It's pretty doable. Now, if that is about to happen, now I will show you the timeline, which will prove all that I'm talking about right now. Remember that parallel channel from the beginning of this video? Yeah, I know you do. Here's one more proof that this could be happening right at the New Year's Eve of 2022. Whoa, I'm too specific, ain't I? Well, check it out. The level of 23.33 and this conjuncture with our parallel channel is what? Check at the bottom of the screen. The first week of 2022, the last week of 2021. So, by the end of this year, if you follow this channel and are able to sustain it, not falling off in a downward direction, the level of $22 is a realistic price for AVA. Is this a fantasy or a reality? You decide. But never underestimate altcoin season. Never underestimate the power of FOMO. That's all I'm gonna say. And it really is all I'm gonna say on this subject. Now is your time. You show me that you like the video. Smash the thumbs up. You subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this. You share it with someone that you think that is in need of this kind of video. You watch this one that I'm showing to you right now, and I hope by the end of this year we will travel together with Travala.com my friend, let's fly high.